Welcome to DebtCircle Key Roundup. I am Vijendra.
And I am Leela.
We'll explore Bharat Forge's fundraising plans, Macquarie's talks to acquire fourth partner Energy, and the RBI's liquidity outlook. Stay tuned as we unpack these crucial developments.
Bharat Forge will decide on August 10th whether to raise capital via equity, debt, or international instruments like American depository receipts. Last quarter, net profit fell 17.4% year on year to Rs 233 crores.
This flexibility is key in volatile markets. The company targets approximately 25% revenue and EBITDA growth, with steel business restructuring planned to finish by end of calendar year 2027.
Macquarie Asset Management is close to acquiring a 96% stake in Fourth Partner Energy at an enterprise valuation of approximately $2 billion, around 19,000 crore rupees.
Fourth partner's revenue jumped 37% to $101.7 million in fiscal 2025, with EBITDA doubling to $56 million.
The Reserve Bank of India expects the banking system liquidity surplus to peak in September at around 4 to 5 lakh crore rupees, mainly due to foreign currency non-resident bank deposit inflows.
This surge will push liquidity to about 2.5 to 3% of net demand and time liabilities. But it's short-lived, with advanced tax payments moderating it soon after.
The RBI will soon release an updated list of non-banking finance companies in the upper layer category, focusing on those with assets exceeding 1 lakh crore rupees, enforcing mandatory public listing.
An unlisted holding company of a major Indian conglomerate faces this listing deadline, signaling the central bank's commitment to compliance and transparency.
The RBI held the repo rate steady at 5.25% for the fourth time, raised the GDP growth forecast to 6.7%, and plans to resume on-tap licensing for urban cooperative banks after 22 years.
This steady rate supports predictable borrowing costs, while the licensing move should enhance last-mile credit access for micro, small, and medium enterprises.
The RBI is restarting licensing for urban cooperative banks after over 22 years and also plans a major review of the Rural Cooperative Bank Credit Monitoring Framework, last updated in 2008.
RBI also proposes standardizing interest rate regulations across all regulated entities to improve transparency and strengthen trust in the financial system.
Indian Bank plans to reach a total business of 35 lakh crores rupees by 2032, more than doubling from 15 lakh crores rupees in June 2023.
MSME loans are growing at 17 to 18%, up from 6 to 7%, while corporate lending growth has jumped to 14 to 15% from 2 to 3%.
Despite a cumulative 1.25% cut in the policy repo rate, deposit growth actually rose from 12.3% to 13.3% between January and June 2026.
The RBI's dovish communication index increased to 50.9%, signaling a softer monetary stance alongside these regulatory measures.
India's microfinance sector shrank by 4% this quarter, dropping from 3,39,000 crore rupees to 3,26,000 crore rupees due to uneven monsoon rains.
Bandhan Bank's emerging entrepreneurs portfolio fell to Rs 52,640 crore, with private banks leading the decline by over 10,000 crore.
The RBI plans to launch polymer currency notes starting with denominations of 10 and 20 rupees by financial year 2028, piloting 2 billion notes.
Polymer notes have succeeded globally for over 30 years, offering longer lifespan and anti-counterfeiting features, but this remains a cautious trial alongside paper currency.
Earth Reinsurance IFSC Limited secured a reinsurance license, becoming the first locally incorporated reinsurer in India's gift city. Parent InRisk Labs raised $27 million in Series A funding.
This reduces dependence on foreign reinsurers and positions Earth Re to lead innovation in structured and parametric reinsurance products.
The Indian rupee hit a one-month high at 94.92 against the US dollar due to a drop in Brent crude prices by over 12%, before closing at 95.1175.
Analysts see immediate support for the rupee around 94.75, with resistance near 95.6, though the RBI's unchanged rates tempered the rally.